with a special topic, hunting specialist dog. Look at this. This is a pointer, and he is a hunting specialist. Really, you can see in this video he have hunted and now eating. And with my backside, he's a greyhound. He's always with him, and so he's nursing and smelling. And another side, I'm searching where he gone. It's a, today they join another dog. It's a bully dog. I don't know where he gone, but he's, oh, now he's after taking. Now he's enjoying. Oh, look at this, so beautifully. So I'm now going to away. So trying to get them in field. Susie! Oh, so they are coming. So greyhound, so he's eating, but oh, maybe. Oh. So look at this. They are so dangerous when they hunt, and if another dog take this, so that will be a not good sign for pointer, because he's hunting specialist dog. So look at this greyhound. He's looking to, maybe looking to street dog.